Realize one of the staples of this program is live music, and boy, we love what we heard warming up here just a couple seconds ago, Jackie.
They just arrived from Kentucky.
Those are some dedicated fans.
I know, right? They won the game last night, but we want you to stay to hear them tomorrow night at Lefty's.
Now, this is going to be a lot of fun. Josh Merritt is here. How you doing, my friend?
I'm doing great. How you guys doing?
You guys seriously just drove from Kentucky?
We did. Straight through the night. Yeah, we're no worse for the wear, though.
Oh, my goodness.
You
Perfect.
have a day to recover and then get ready for your performance.
Absolutely. We hear the parade's going on downtown, so we've got time for that.
All right,
there you go.
We'll see. We're going to be down there. So
you got in town just in time, not only to perform on our soundstage, but to enjoy some festivities. But the big show is happening tomorrow night at Lefty's.
Yes, it is. We're very excited about being there.
Yeah, Lefty's live
I love
music.
Des Moines. I played the state fair last year and had a great time, and I'm glad to be back this year. Man.
Wonderful.
That's where the name sounded familiar.
I was going to say, that's
the
why.
name sounded familiar. That you just dotted the I for us there. That is awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, now we need to hear from you. Then we'll meet the band after you play. Is that cool?
Absolutely.
Take it away.
All right. 1, 2, 1. Yeah, well, maybe you've been wrong before too many times, or maybe it's just you. This place lights up when you sit down, but also feel the new chill in the room. Well, you like the pretty instruments and the pretty boys who play up on stage. Singing to yourself, a pretty little swallow in a cage. How many times you find a man that plays guitar but also does his part? Do you need to leave this love, or do you need someone to hold your broken heart? Do you need someone to hold your hand? Or someone who knows just where you stand? Or should I shine a light, girl, are you just playing in the dark? Do you need someone to hold your broken heart? Maybe you've been used to the abuse of a needy man way too long. You're sure that I want nothing more than a little inspiration for a song. But I think this could be something more, but you still seem prepared toward the start. Do I need to wave my white flag, or do you need someone to hold your broken heart? Or do you need someone to hold your hand? Or someone who knows just where you stand? Should I shine a light, girl, are you just playing in the dark? Or do you need someone to hold your broken heart? wants, and that's okay, but girl, I'm tired of playing games. And you can sit behind your walls, or we can start the tearing down of them today. Oh, or do you need someone to hold your hand? 'Cause you can count on me to be that man. But I have seen the light, girl, no more playing in the dark. And do you need someone to hold your broken heart? So do you need someone to hold your broken heart?
There you go, ladies and gentlemen, from Owensboro, Kentucky, Josh Merritt Band. Again, these guys traveled all night to be here this morning. Thank you guys so much. But here's the big show tomorrow night, 9 p.m. Only $8 to get in over at Lefty's Live Music, Jackie.
That's right. All right, we need to meet the band.
Absolutely, man. These are some of my best friends in the entire world, and I'm blessed and fortunate enough to get to travel around and play music with them. So I'll start over here in the corner on the keys. He likes long walks on the beach.
Nice.
And pina coladas. From Owensboro, Kentucky, Mr. Robbie Stinnett.
There you go.
Yes.
And back here on the drums, he's wanted in 16 states, and no, I'm just kidding.
Only 15, right?
Hopefully I wasn't one of them.
That's right. From Owensboro, Kentucky as well, Mr. Logan Howard. Oh, man. And back here on the bass, I think he's a front runner for President of the United States.
Oh,
last
good
time.
for you.
We're not sure, the count's not in. Mr. Aaron Ray on the bass guitar. And from the depths of the sea, over here on the lead guitar, from Central City, Kentucky, Mr. Tyler Moore.
Nice.
That's good.
And on the fiddle over here, the only one that can keep us in line out and about and keep us out of county jails from state to state. For the most part, yeah. From Whitesville, Kentucky, Miss Lacey Jean.
Nice.
There you
I
go.
can tell that about her.
Oh, yeah.
She's the boss. We can tell that already. Your name might be on the band, but I think she's the boss. So
Right,
that's cool.
right.
All right, well, again, Lefty's Live music tomorrow at
Right.
9 p.m., folks. It's going to be a good time. If you guys are ready, I'd love you to take us into commercial break.
For sure.
All right, take it away.
Seven miles from Bowling Green, some college bar, this same old scene. We're rolling into town in an Astro van. Well, I chose a life playing guitars, cheap motels and shotgun bars. Well, every night the same old five-piece band. And I know you've gotten over me, you're happy now, yes I can see. Wished I'd have did things different now and then. Yes, and you should know that you were right. There's nothing left, not even fight. I'll walk this lonely road until the end. And I chose the bright lights over you, and I'm bluer than I've ever knew. Laying here tonight, I miss my friend. Guess that I got what was coming in the end. This old band still gets us there. You think we live without a care, the life that we gave up to get on down. Yeah, the sleepless nights and the guitar twang, the whiskey we think helps us sing, searching every day for a brand new sound. Yes, and you should know I think of you. You're here in everything I do. Wished I'd have did things different now and then. Yes, and you should know that you were right. There's nothing left, not even fight. I'll walk this lonely road until the end. And I chose the bright lights over you, and I'm bluer than I've ever knew. And man, here tonight I miss my friend. Yes, that I got what was coming in the end. Yes, and you should know that you were right. There's nothing left, not even fight. I'll walk this lonely road until the end. And I chose the bright lights over you, and I'm bluer than I've ever knew. Man, here tonight I miss my friend. Yes, that I got what was coming in the end. Oh, and I got what was coming in the end. Yes, and I got what was coming in the end.